In Bulgaria, like probably in other countries, there were ways that men and women found to tell each other that they like each other. And one of the ways in Bulgaria was when the woman went to get water from the water well, a man who liked her would stop her and ask her for a drink. And this next song is about a woman called Donka, who is carrying water, and instead of being asked for a drink, or instead of the man called Georgi asking her or telling her that he's thirsting for water, he breaks the rule and he says that he's thirsting for Donka.